Mastering social research fundamentals. Researchers risk exposing their participants' secrets. Which measures do researchers take to guarantee that their participants' identities remain confidential and anonymous throughout the entire social research process, from data collection to publication of results? Guaranteeing the confidentiality and anonymity of participants is a crucial aspect of social research, as it builds trust and ensures that participants feel comfortable sharing their experiences and opinions without fear of retribution or stigma. To achieve this, researchers take several measures to protect participants' identities throughout the entire research process, from data collection to publication of results. Firstly, researchers ensure that all data collection methods, including surveys, interviews, and observations, are designed to prevent the collection of personally identifiable information, PII. This includes omitting questions that could potentially reveal a participant's identity, such as names, addresses, phone numbers, or email addresses. Additionally, researchers use cryptic identifiers, such as codes or pseudonyms, to replace actual names or identifying information. During data collection, researchers take steps to maintain the confidentiality of participant data. This includes ensuring that all data is stored in a secure location, such as a locked file cabinet or an encrypted digital storage device. Researchers also limit access to participant data to only those who need it, and ensure that all individuals with access have signed confidentiality agreements. Another crucial measure is the use of informed consent procedures. Researchers provide participants with clear and concise information about the study's purpose, methods, and potential risks and benefits. Participants are also informed about their right to withdraw from the study at any time and that their data will be kept confidential. By obtaining informed consent, researchers ensure that participants are aware of the measures in place to protect their identities and are willing to participate voluntarily. To further protect participant identities, researchers use data anonymization techniques. This involves removing or altering identifying information, such as replacing names with codes or aggregating data to prevent individual identification. Data anonymization techniques can be applied to both qualitative and quantitative data, including transcripts, recordings, and survey responses. When publishing research findings, researchers take care to ensure that the reports, articles, or presentations do not inadvertently disclose participant identities. This includes using aggregate data, pseudonyms, or composite characters to conceal individual identities. Researchers also avoid including identifiable quotes or descriptions that could potentially reveal a participant's identity. In addition, researchers often employ data encryption and secure data transfer protocols to protect participant data during transmission and storage. This includes using secure online survey platforms, encrypted email, and secure file transfer protocols. To maintain the integrity of the research process, researchers establish clear data management plans and protocols for handling and storing participant data. These plans outline procedures for data collection, storage, and analysis, as well as protocols for protecting participant confidentiality and anonymity. Furthermore, researchers often engage in member checking, which involves sharing the research findings with participants to ensure that the data is accurately represented and that participants' identities are protected. This process allows participants to verify the accuracy of the data and provide feedback, thereby increasing the validity of the research findings. In cases where researchers are working with sensitive or vulnerable populations, such as minors, prisoners, or individuals with mental health issues, additional measures are taken to ensure participant confidentiality and anonymity. This may include obtaining Institutional Review Board (IRB) approval, working with gatekeepers or advocates, and using specialized data collection methods that prioritize participant safety and confidentiality. Finally, researchers recognize the importance of ongoing training and education in research ethics and methods. This ensures that researchers stay up to date with the latest best practices and guidelines for protecting participant confidentiality and anonymity, and are equipped to address emerging ethical challenges in social research. In conclusion, guaranteeing participant confidentiality and anonymity requires researchers to take a multifaceted approach that incorporates robust data management plans, informed consent procedures, data anonymization techniques, secure data storage and transfer protocols, and member checking. By following these measures, researchers can ensure that participants' identities are protected throughout the entire social research process, from data collection to publication of results.